Take a look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium, vinyl seat trim, remote keyless entry, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 45-36 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer and with trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.